reunions, di ba? Like we had one before. Na among friends, kunyari, when you guys know we're going to be together, the three of us, anong unang-unang pumapasok sa isip nyo? Ako, feeling ko, naku, chika na naman.
Fun. I'm happy.
Ako super excited. Kaya lang syempre alam ko talo na naman ako sa usapan. Kasi you'll be talking about babies, eh wala naman akong maliit.
Alam mo,
You'll be talking about husbands, wala pa rin ako.
alam mo, Dina, hindi naman laging yun ang be-all at end-all.
Oo naman.
Exactly.
Actually, nawala na nga ako dun eh. Dati palagi na lang, oh, Shiri, I don't have a boyfriend, Shiri, I don't have a husband now. My happiness doesn't depend on that anymore.
It shouldn't. You know,
should
I think you realize that when you're a bit older.
Yeah.
Because especially now,
And I am getting old.
diba? No, but my God, are we aging gracefully or
All of
what?
us.
Ha?
We are. We'd like to think that.
Yes. Ikaw, Chichi, when we're going to see each other.
When we see each other,
No,
when
when
are we
you
going?
know.
When I know, I'm very excited. It's
Talaga?
like, it reminds me of my youth.
We're still
It
young.
keeps me young. And
Don't make
because
it be in.
Exactly. So being that we're still being brought together just goes to show that we're not too far from those years. And,
You know naman.
and we always find naman something to talk about. Doesn't have to be about husbands.
Oo,
Children.
and sino mga pinaka-na-miss ninyo na hindi nyo nakasama nung 2001? Pinaka-na-miss ninyo. Pwedeng di mo nakasama ng madalas.
Actually,
basta
ang na-miss ko, yung mga nakakasama natin sa Viva. Remember, we used to go to Viva kahit na wala tayong shooting.
Sinabi mo, Dina.
Kahit na walang
Pumasok
shooting.
ako,
Laman ng Viva. Oh, hello.
Oh,
May gana
hang
ka
out
pupunta.
namin.
Hey, Shawi, ano, kita tayo. Viva, anong oras? 4.
Kakape-kape
Cheese.
lang.
Wala, magkakape lang.
Oh,
Kain tayo ng
nakikimeeting.
cheese, please.
Ikaw, Cheese.
Yes,
You missed
then,
that also.
Oh, yeah. In a home, going back to your question, ito naman, medyo boring yung mga kwento ko kasi puro personal eh, no? Nobody wants to hear about it. But
Uy,
I really miss my stepdaughter, Renee. Because she was in LA
is she now?
for a year and she's auditioning to be an actress. So
Wow!
she's been living there for,
Anak ni Ronnie,
on her
maganda.
own for a year. So being that we were coming back and forth, I saw my family here and then I left them. I left and went back to Venice. Of course, I miss my family back here, but half of the time I was with them. The one I didn't see was Renee for a good 2 years. So she's the one I miss. So I'm
How old is
wishing
she
her
now?
well. 23.
She's so pretty, di ba?
Yeah, I told her to come back here and make them all run for their money.
Right. O, ito naman. Anong pinakamagandang lesson na natutunan nyo this year?
Ako siguro yan, to love myself more. Never to put your hopes and dreams on a certain person. Like, you never say, I'll be happy when I earn this, I'll be happy when I have that, I'll be happy if I have this. Parang live for the moment and just be thankful for all the blessings that come your way. Always thank the Lord for everything.
Mga kaibigan, mas marami pa kaming gifts na stories at saka gifts na mga songs sa pagbabalik mula